Hey everybody, I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. Here we go.
Four to the front, little preparation. And one, single, 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 double, single, 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 double, out, double, in, attitude, 6, roll, down. Single, 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 double, single, 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 double, double, attitude. Those are on the half point, the ones into the bar and away from the bar, other side. So single, 2, 3, full, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, up, attitude. Roll down and en face, single, 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 double, single, 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 double. Away from the bar, up front, soutenu, other side. Give me that little renverse head, all right? On the soutenu. 5th. And single, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, and a 1, attitude. En face, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and attitude. Front, stretch it out, renverse. Oh, lovely, I'll take that. All 3 of you. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, hello foot, hello, up, and yada da da dee da 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 dee, pa 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 pa, and yada da da dee. Parallel feet stretch down, 1, 2. Demi-plie. Lengthen. Up we go. In first. Repeat. And down, 1. Good. 4th position, outside foot. Down we go. Parallel. And stretch.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.